If your skin is reactive, the difference between a cream and a serum isn't just texture, it's tolerance. Today, we'll explore how creams and serums support reactive skin and why both play important roles in barrier-focused care. Reactive skin doesn't need more products. It needs structure. By the end of this video, you'll know when a serum helps, when a cream protects, and how to layer without triggering sensitivity. Let's start here. Reactive skin isn't weak, it's over-responsive. Usually, the barrier is slightly compromised. That means increased water loss, lower tolerance to actives, faster irritation response. The barrier's main job is to keep water in and irritants out. When it's unstable, even well-formulated products can feel uncomfortable. A serum is typically lighter in texture, higher in water content, designed for targeted delivery. For reactive skin, a well-formulated serum can increase hydration quickly, improve skin flexibility, support barrier repair ingredients like ceramides or humectants. But here's the nuance. Serums deliver. They don't seal. Have you ever used a hydrating serum and still felt dry 30 minutes later? A cream is structured differently. It contains emollients, occlusives, lipid replenishing ingredients. For reactive skin, creams reduce moisture loss, support barrier integrity, improve long-term tolerance. A cream stabilizes what a serum delivers. When skin feels tight or dehydrated, hydration support is the priority. When skin feels sensitive or reactive, barrier support becomes more important. Most reactive skin benefits from both hydration and barrier care working together. More layers doesn't mean more results. The biggest mistake isn't choosing cream or serum. It's stacking too many active serums. Reactive skin doesn't struggle with hydration. It struggles with regulation. And regulation requires fewer formulas, barrier-supporting lipids, minimal unnecessary ingredients. This is exactly why we're developing Revea with a minimal ingredient philosophy, especially for normal to dry, sensitive skin. Serums are designed to deliver lightweight hydration and comfort, while creams help support the skin barrier by sealing in moisture. Highly reactive skin often has reduced tolerance to stronger active ingredients. During these phases, barrier support-focused care is generally better tolerated. When to use only a cream? If your skin burns easily, flushes, feels fragile, start with just a barrier support cream for 2-3 weeks. Restore stability first. Then add hydration, reassuring tone. You don't lose progress by simplifying. If your skin is reactive, serum is deliver, cream is defense. Most people need both. But reactive skin always needs barrier support first. Calmer skin isn't built by intensity. It's built by regulation. If this helped you understand your skin better, subscribe for more barrier-focused education. We're launching Revea soon, a clinical, minimal system designed specifically for normal to dry, sensitive skin. And over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing the research behind every decision.